Okay, I'm going to ask you to take out your music notebook and open up to a new page. Now this file that you're looking at, the music file with the chords, that I'm sending it to you today. So you're going to click that and open it up. Okay? And the first thing I'm going to ask you to do is open a new page, and this notebook will contain all of the songs that you're going to be learning, and you'll need to have this notebook for the rest of the year. You're going to write down the songs and the chords and in there. So the title of the song I would like you to put at the top line. So the title is Shake It Off. And you're going to write down that the key of the piece is G major. G major. G major. Okay, now let's get to the chords. Also, before we do that, it would be handy to write down that this is by Taylor Swift. And so now the first chord is going to be the A minor. So let's go ahead and write that down. And we're going to write down A, small m, small I. And the way we write the chord symbol, first we write the nut, just like that. And let's draw a string 1, the one closest to the floor, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And you see that I'm using the lines of the notebook as my frets, so it makes it very easy. I suggest you do that. But I'm just going to draw it in with pen again. Okay, here we go. We've got our frets, 1, 2, 3. Right. First of all, let's draw in finger number 1 on the second string, and that's going to be fret 1. So I'll write down number 1. Okay. Finger number 2 is on the 1, 2, 3, 4th string, fret number 2. And that's how it looks on the diagram. Fret 2, finger 2, string 4. And then finger number 3 is on the 3rd string, 2nd fret, finger 3, 3rd string, 2nd fret. Okay. Also important is which strings not to play. String 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is not played. Put an X. Strings that are played will have zeros on them. That means you do play them, they're open. And we're done with the A minor. Now, how many times do we play that? So we're going to draw out our measures and how many times we play the chords. So let's go ahead and make our first repeat sign. And these little hashes are going to be these hashes here are going to be how many times those chords are played in a measure. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, bar line, 1, 2, 3, 4. So that A is played total of 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then our next chord is going to be C. So let's write down a big capital C right over here. draw the nut of the guitar, and we're going to draw strings. 1, closest to the floor, string 2, string 3, string 4, string 5, string 6. Put in my frets, and finally we draw our fingers in. Finger 1. Finger 1 is going on string 2, fret 1. Fret 1. That's finger 1. Where's finger 2? It's going to be on string 4. String 4, 2nd fret. I'm doing this as carefully as I can. That's finger 2, and then we're going to do finger 3. Finger 3 is here. It's finger 3 on the 5th string, 3rd fret. Okay, now I need to write in the strings that I don't play. X is here, and strings I do play, open and open. Okay, now we're going to put in how many times we play the C. Put in our bar lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 times we play the C. Now let's finish this up and do the G chord. The G chord is right over here. So G chord is right over here. G chord. Capital G. And we're going to draw the nut in. And we're going to draw string 1, string 2, string 3, string 4, string 5, string 6. Draw in our frets. Only need the 3 frets here. Okay, we'll start with the 3rd finger. 3rd finger is on 1st string, 3rd fret. And 1st finger is on 5th string, 2nd fret. And 2nd finger is on 6th string, 3rd fret. Okay, looks good. Looks good. Now we have to put in the strings that we do play in addition. So that's string 2, string 3, and string 4. Those are all open strings. How many times we play the G? Right here. Let's put in all of our bar lines to the end of the song. And a repeat symbol. Okay, the G is played 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. What's 4 times 4? 16 times. Wow. Last thing I'd like you to write down. We finished the song, which is great. Last thing I'm going to ask you to write is the strum pattern. How do we play Taylor Swift's song accurately? So the strum pattern, I'll write it below here. Strum pattern. So I'm going to copy it down as it is on the sheet. Here it is. So we don't play on the gray numbers, but we do play the blackened numbers. So it's the and of 1, 2, 3. We don't play on 4, but we play on the and of 4. We play on 1, 2, 3, and 4, and. That's the strum pattern. Good luck.